The festive period for gold's largest consumer countries to buy the precious metal has begun with demand rising in the key markets of India and China as people take advantage of the current drop in prices. Last month saw the return of auspicious dates for marriages on Hindu calendars after the seasonal summer shutdown, and November will bring India's peak gold buying festival of Dhanteras, the start of Diwali. Western gift-giving at Christmas will then be followed by the run-up to Chinese New Year, starting on the 10th of February in 2024. Altogether, this festive period, covering the October to December and January to March calendar quarters, has seen consumers in China and India buy 8% more gold by weight over the past 10 years than they did across the April to September period on average, according to quarterly data from specialist analysts Metals Focus. That extra demand rises to 15% if you exclude the exceptional years of 2013, when a crash in global gold prices spurred record-heavy buying in the precious metals' top two consumer markets, and also 2020, when COVID lockdowns crushed sales from comparing Q4 plus Q1 against the figures for Q2 plus Q3. Having averaged a price above $1,800 per troy ounce in each of these periods since Q2 to Q3 2020, global bullion prices jumped to average $1,950 across mid-year 2023, denting India and China's demand amid gold's typically quiet summer lull. But so far in October, global prices, as set by trading in the London bullion market, have fallen hard, down by more than $100 from that level on Friday, the 6th of October 2023 finish, as the crash in Western government bond prices drives longer-term interest rates sharply higher. Many consumers are frantically buying gold, reports China's National Business Daily, saying that the gold-buying craze, seen in the precious metals' #1 consumer market, ahead of the past week's Mid-Autumn and National Day holidays, has not fallen but risen, according to retailers. Bullion prices in Shanghai jumped a record $120 per troy ounce above London's global gold price in mid-September, as China's rising gold demand met restricted supply, with household jewelry and investment purchases running unstoppably hot, according to the Henan News Channel. Gold's rupee rates in India are meantime showing a premium of $5 per ounce to the cost of newly imported bullion, which includes a massive 18% in duty and tax, the highest incentive for new inflows to the #2 gold consumer nation in 17 months, according to Reuters, thanks to rising demand and the lower global price. Retail and wholesale demand is improving because of the price correction, the Newswire quotes one Mumbai gold dealer. We have been witnessing good traction in the last few days. In China, where the world's #1 gold-buying central bank of the last 3 years has expanded the national holdings by nearly 8% since mid-2020, there are now a lot of people buying investment gold bars. NBD quotes a gold store salesman during the Golden Week holidays, because the price has dropped a lot. But with China's yuan gold price previously rising sharply over the past 12 months, it's hard to say what the impact will be on the post-holiday sales market, cautions Chen Biao, general manager of Swiss refiner Metallour's Chinese business. If the price continues to fall, it will have a greater negative impact on sentiment, but otherwise consumers may buy gold on dips in the price. As for India, the monsoon rainfall this year was slightly below average, says Metals Focus, but this is unlikely to impact crop output, which bodes well for India's precious metals demand, particularly jewellery consumption, as a large portion of this is concentrated in rural India. Gold prices fall, retailers rejoice, said a headline at the Times of India, as the global price fall took hold last week, adding to the optimism reported among gold dealers by Metals Focus. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.